Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share a swap that I was in with Tina, who's Tina's Crazy Life. No, I'm sorry, Tina's Crafty Life? Oh my god. Sorry, Tina. We did recipe cards. We had to make 2 recipe cards and get 2 back, but I think I got an extra one. Okay. Anyway, so I just wanted to share Tina's little note here. It is adorable. I love this paper, and it looks like a like one of those tickets that you would get at you know a train station or something. You get all these, or it's more like a stamp. Duh. Okay, so, and she put some washi tape and some stickers. It's so cute. And it says, thank you for joining the swap. Merry Christmas. Be happy, be safe, and be crafty. Tina's Crafty Life. I should have looked at this first, right, Tina? I get mixed up every time. I'm so used to the other way. All right, I need to get over it. So this is the first one that I got, and this one is from Tina. How cute is this bingo? Cute, 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 with this little reindeer and this little elf, and it says Merry Christmas. I love this, Tina. It's so cute. And it's Christmas Candy Crunch. This sounds really good. I want to make this. I think I saw Kathy's video, and I was so hoping I would get your daughter's one, because I really want to make this eggnog French toast the morning of Christmas. So this would be really, really, and it's very, very, even my daughter could do this, and she would love to do that. So, oh my gosh, Diamond, thank you so much. I love this. Eat, drink, and be merry. I love it. And then this one, oh my gosh, is adorable, and it's so dimensional. It is so cute. I love these gingerbread. And the paper in the background has a little bow, and oh my god, it's just simply adorable. Isn't that adorable? Oh. And this is from Mary Ellen, and her recipe is chocolate clusters. 1 pound chocolate melts, 1 cup walnuts, cashews, combo of both, and 1 cup of raisins. Oh my gosh, I want to make that too. So these are my what do you call it? Recipe cards from Tina's Swap. I love joining Tina's Swap. I really do. She has the greatest swaps, and this was very clever. I've been in several now, and you should go and check her out. I'll have her link down below so everybody can go and see what she's up to. She does diamond painting, she does mixed media, she does swaps, I think challenges, right, Tina? But I'll have her link down below, and I'll see if I can get Mary Ellen's channel down below as well. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week. I posted on Facebook that I needed prayers, and I have to say I totally believe in the power of prayer, because my sister was rushed to the hospital, and then the next day she was rushed to ICU, and that's when I asked for prayers, and through the miracle of prayer, she will be moving to out of ICU, and I want to thank you everybody that prayed when I asked. I try not to do that, but I totally believe that when people band together and pray. God listens, and they listened that day. And my sister is on the road of recovery, and I am so, so grateful to everybody. So I just want to thank you all. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, everyone. Bye.